What's going on YouTube? My name is Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now before we get into the video, I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. And the reason I need you to do all of those things is because I make this YouTube channel in an attempt to teach you how to make money online, how to become an online entrepreneur, and to get the financial freedom that you desire. I think everyone has the ability to monetize themselves, to create a business and a full-time income off of the internet and doing it from the comfort of your own home or office or wherever you want to be in the world. Okay, so the reason I do that is because that's what I did, and I think that's what needs to happen. I think we need to give back in order to, each one teach one. So I make this YouTube channel. You should check out all the other videos that I have going on here. It's really good quality, high quality content. And I hope that you can learn something from it. Today, we're going to talk about YouTube videos. Now, YouTube, as we know, is a place that you can start making money online. But, a lot of us, we don't want to show our face. We don't want to listen to our voice. We don't want to make videos. We don't know how to do some of that stuff. There is a learning curve and there is a hurdle that you have to get over in order to accomplish something like that. So what I think is, there are ways to make money on YouTube without ever having to make videos. It's possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you are not, internet savvy, if you're not YouTube savvy, or you don't know how to edit video or do graphic design, or you don't have a good voice, we're going to go over all the workarounds and all the ways that you could still, benefit from having a YouTube channel and making money from that. All right. And we're going to go to a very particular niche that I haven't seen talked about at all in this time. So let's go over to YouTube. We're going to look at this place called Alux Your Life. This is a channel with, over 2 million, almost 3 million subscribers. And what they do are videos of, luxury. So they say, here is, 15 celebrities that got super rich, 15 business lessons on Shark Tank, 15 things that are classy or rich, 10 richest female actors in the world. All of their videos have to do with luxury and money. And you see 3 million views over here. You see 190, 1,000 views. You see 1 million views here. And this is the method that we're going to talk about today. Is you could pick a luxury niche. Now, if you notice, if you watch any of these videos, you won't see anyone else's face here. All you will see is, the branding, the quality of the blue with the white, and just, the amount of money. You'll hear a voiceover for the video, and you'll just see, pictures, images, things like that. You'll see very luxurious imaging when you watch these videos. So you don't see anyone's face. It's not a talking head. There's no personality behind any of this. And the way that they were able to make an entire, YouTube channel off of this, 3 million, subscribers. They're making, ad money. They're making all kind of money from this. You can imagine. So the reason they're doing that is because they probably either have a built-in team, or they have an individual that, knows how to do all of this stuff themselves. Or what I believe they're doing is I believe they are delegating all of the services that come along with doing something like this. Okay. And they probably have a video person that they hire. They probably have a voiceover actor. They probably have someone getting all of the footage for them. And if you have 3 million subscribers and you're getting millions of views per video, you're going to have some excess money that you can afford to delegate and give, jobs to freelancers and other people that'll do work for cheap. This isn't going to cost you, millions of dollars. It's going to cost you, maybe $100 at the end of the day, or maybe even less than that. You can be, do all of this, get all this done for $50, $20. It's really that simple. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that anyway. But I just wanted to come to, this website just to show you this is a niche that I have not seen often, and I've been on YouTube a long time, and I haven't seen this too many times. We're gonna go to another one, check out another channel that does this, and this is another niche that you could get involved in. And it's just facts, the one we talked about before. These are, all facts. You would have to find all this information. You would have to find the 10 richest female actors in the world. You would have to, get 15 celebrities that got super rich as entrepreneurs. You would have to find and figure all those out. You can also do a fact. This website is, this YouTube channel is called Factiverse, but they do facts. They do, research, and they figure out different things that people don't know about or are factual, but you see they're getting, tens of thousands and millions of views. So what you could do is you could go here, you can go online and you could find factual information, 10 of whatever, or, 50 of this or 50 of that. And you could get all of that information and then make a video of it. And all you would need to do is have B-roll footage. And how you get B-roll footage is you would go to Pixabay. Pixabay is a free stock video site, photos as well. So you could do like a photography montage, or you can do, a running video about whatever you could possibly think of. So you would then go to Google and you would say, I need to know the top 10 tallest trees in the world. And then you would go to Pixabay, find very, very tall trees, and download those images, put them in a video editor, mash them together, write a script for it, do a voiceover, upload the video to YouTube. Right? Those are all the processes. The process is do the research, find the footage, do the voiceover, edit the video, upload. Now you can automate all of that if you just hire a freelancer. But if you want to do the work yourself, you go to Pixabay, you do the research, you go to Google, go to Pixabay, get all of the footage that you need, and do that. And another website you can go to if you don't want to go to Pixabay is you can go to Pexels. Between these two websites, you're going to do everything that you need to do. You're going to get everything that you need to get. So Pexels and Pixabay are two websites where you can get, free video footage, and you're not going to get in trouble for any of this. This is 100% stock, free, royalty-free images and footage that you can use. That's the whole reason that these platforms exist, is for people to use them. So, you put them in your video editor. If you don't have, iMovie on your computer, or, if you need to download Premiere or something, that's going to cost you a little bit of money. So if you're going to want to put 2 videos and some audio underneath it, you can get the audio from your iPhone or your Android phone or your Android device. They have very high quality audio on phones these days. And then what you would do is you would take that recording and you would go to a place like Openshot, which is it's a free video editor. If you have a Mac, you already have iMovie, you can do all of this there. But Openshot is something you can download. You just want to do something really simple, doesn't have to take you a whole lot of time, isn't extremely difficult. All you would need to do is put your video that you got from Pexels or Pixabay on the top, and then put your audio on the bottom, and you will be good to go. You'll be straight off to the races. Now this is a lot of work. When you think about it, you have to do the research and upload the videos and edit it and cut and do all of these things. You can automate all of this though. You can automate all of this. All you need to do is go to a place like Fiverr, and you go here and you type in audio recording, or you need a video editor, or you need a voiceover work. You can get something like voiceover work for as low as $5, $10, $15. And all you do is provide them the script, or sometimes they'll even do the script themselves. So you would do that. You would then go to Fiverr to say, hey, I need a video editor. Hey, I need you to write a script. You can automate all of this, because if you're making money on YouTube ads, you're going to have a few $100s to spare, because you're going to make, thousands of dollars a month just by, automating all of this. And you're going to be able to put out videos faster as well. That's the other thing, the volume, the rate that you're going to be able to, produce these videos and start getting money is going to be so great that it's not going to cost you anything. You're just making a very small investment in yourself and in your brand. So if you want to know how to do all of this work, it's really simple. I've created a program to where you could definitely just get involved with this. If you want to do this right away over the next 90 days, because there's no starting like today. If you want to do this over the next 90 days and you want to have somebody who's done this over and over again, I can help you and, start making money working from home. Then you want to click the link in the description to discover how you can make a ton of money on YouTube without making any videos. It'll show you the best niches to do this in, how to get a ton of views on your video so you won't have to be wasting your time. And most importantly, it's going to teach you how you can make a ton of videos and make a ton of money. So click the link in my description. If you want to know how to do this over the next 90 days, if you want somebody to, be with you step by step, teach you the methods, teach you how to do this, teach you the right niches to get into, teach you how to automate this entire process over the next 90 days and, teach you how to make just make a lot of money on YouTube, then what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead, click the first link in my description, and that's going to take you to the method and the course that can make you do this and have you get started today. So my name is Make Money Malik. Be sure to like this video, ring the notification bell, and sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.